Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. Sunsets are proof that the ending can also be beautiful. Life is so iconic to understand fully. It takes sadness to know what happiness is. Life is series of a million tiny miracles. Take the time to notice them. Cry is a way your eyes speak when your mouth can't explain how broken heart is. Don't to be happy when someone says they love you and care for you, because one day they will change and their love for you change too. Once the heart gets too heavy with pain, people don't cry. They just turn silent, completely silent. Sometimes the love is fake, but hate is always real. Enjoy every moment in your life. Today's beautiful moments are tomorrow beautiful memories. Death is not the greatest loss in life. The greatest loss is what dies inside us while we live. Sometimes who says I don't believe in love was once someone who loved unconditionally. You can't be strong all the time. Sometimes you just need to be alone and let your tires out. The saddest part in life is saying goodbye to someone you wish to spend your life with. Seriously, I am the type of person who tries to make everyone smile, but when I need to smile, no one is there for me. Each heart has some pain, only the way of expression is different. Some hide it in their eyes, while some hide it in their smile. If you liked my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.